Today we're looking at quadratic equations. I want to look at some of the methods which are used to solve quadratic equations. Alright, without wasting any time, let us look at the following. Right, we're going to see different ways by which you can solve quadratic equation. The first one, which I believe is the easiest for everyone, is by factorization. Then we're going to see how to solve quadratic equations via completing the square. As you are going to see, they all give the same answer. Then there's another option which involves the use of the quadratic formula. Right. Let us look at factorization. Factorization is some sort of a reduction, like we see here. What do we have here? We have 4x is equal to 12x. This one is a quadratic equation in the sense that it has a squared here. So we want to find the values of x. Remember, a quadratic equation has got two values. We want to find the two values of x. So we bring our 12 this side. This one is the easiest form of factorization. Then we look at the common factor of the two terms. Now we have 4x squared minus 12x. So the common factor here is 4x. After bringing out 4x, it's like we're dividing here with a 4x. 4x squared divided by 4x, we get an x. 12x divided by 4x, we get a minus 3 here is equal to 0. As you know, in order to get a 0 here, either one of the two should be 0. So either 4x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0, giving us x is equal to 0 or 3. This is the simplest form of factorization. Let's see if we can get another example also of factorization.